Welcome to the hangar. Today we're gonna do some soldering. Anna's learning how to solder today, and we're gonna solder some headers onto an ESP8266 microprocessor that I use for MetarMaps and some other special projects like word clocks and fun stuff like that. This is an ESP8266, and this is what it looks like after you solder on the header pins. When you get it, it comes in a flat pack and you have to solder it up yourself. So Anna's got the old Weller soldering gun fired up and she's ready to get busy. Okay, Anna, tell us what you're looking for to know that you have a good solder joint or not.
Well, if you want to know if you have a good solder joint, then it's a little blob around, a little shiny blob around the pin and the ring that goes up in a little mountain peak, but you don't want it like a big fat blob, because then that's too much solder.
Okay, don't burn me with that tip.
No, don't want
I'll hold it so it doesn't move and you can do the next one. Now you're getting right down to the board and heating up that ring. Get the solder ready. Heating up the ring and the pin at the same time. You wait about 5 or 6 seconds, it looks like, and a little dab of solder and another one done real nice. Look at that. Of course, we want to try and avoid breathing the smoke because it's toxic and we're outdoors. You've got nice ventilation in here today. There you go, that's nice. Couple more to go and we'll be done. We've already done the other side of this board. What do you think?
I mean, it looks pretty good. You want to clean your tip
Yeah, clean the tip.
so you don't get it on your leg because it'll hurt.
Yes, keep it over the table. Alright. Another chip all set up, ready to program. Clean the tip, get it nice and shiny. Alright. I think we're done for today. You can turn it off and thank you. Good job.